Hello, I'm June Boyd and I live in a condo in Toronto, Ontario, and I have a PlasmaMade filter. 2 years ago, after living in the condo for 10 years, we decided to renovate, and to our surprise we found out that our hood fan was not vented outside. We had a charcoal filter. We never knew that, so we never cleaned it. And when we did, oh, what a shock. It was actually gross, full of grease and mold. We didn't want to repeat our mistakes and install another charcoal filter, so we decided we should vent outside. Unfortunately, the quote we got from our contractor was over $3,000 and outside our budget. And then we found out that our condo wouldn't even allow us to vent outside. My husband and I did some research and we discovered that the PlasmaMade E-Filter was a much better option for us. Not only did it remove grease, smoke, and smells, but it addressed my respiratory issues. After installing my PlasmaMade E-Filter, I noticed a big difference in my breathing and my allergies. And it was really nice to know that I had a range hood that was actually working, taking care of the smells, the grease, and the odors from my kitchen. Installing our PlasmaMade E-Filter was so easy. We didn't even need a contractor. My husband, who's no handyman, was able to install it in under 5 minutes. Overall, we are very pleased with our PlasmaMade E-Filter. It solved all our problems, our allergies, our respiratory problems, our odors. We would recommend it to anyone that has respiratory issues, anyone that's concerned about odors in their kitchen, and anyone who doesn't want to vent outside.